Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. I'm going to start mentioning this in the beginning of the videos. I should have probably done that a while ago, but if you could just subscribe down below, like or share once you're done with this video, I would very much appreciate it. Hit that little belly thing so you can get updates. And this time out, I'm going to go over a plugin. So if you just bring up your website, you can go to your plugins, and what you're looking to put in is this little ditty right here. Where the heck did it go? All right, pricing table. So just put this pricing table by Supsystic into the search. I'm assuming by now you know how to do plugins, so I'm not even going to remotely go there. If not, I have a video on how to install plugins, so just take a search for that. And I want you to show you what that produces here. Let's see here. Let me get to the front. So this is my Crown Kayak website. This is the one I use for most of my training. So we're just going to go here. Inflatable and text challenger. Okay, let's scroll down. So this is what I created as far as a pricing table. It's more of a product description table. And there's another one right there. So this program has been helping me do that. It looks cool. I'm going to use it for other stuff. I just want to show you that it's out there and available. And so where are we here? All right. So once you click on, once you hit the settings on here, we can go to overview. All right. And this is just if you want to email the team, if you have an issue with the plugin, you can add a new table here. This is the table I'm using right now. I just took off the rows just to utilize it to what I need it for. So just click on that. You can hit that select. All right. Does it take us to a new page, or what the heck is it doing? Oh, that's table name. Oh, okay. So we'll put in test table. All right, that will save. Oops, test. What the heck? All right, we'll save. Okay, and there, that it pops up. So there you go. You got your table. You can go in and make any changes you want. So I don't know, you can do $30. Choose your plan. And I mean, this is all generic. And you can change. There's this bar up here. You can change the font. Georgia in there. Put any font you want in there. Oh, my Lord, that's huge. All right. And you can add row and you can add column. So just click on add row. Another row. And let's add column. Okay. You can go crazy. Just remember your page is just so long. Let me show you how to. So it's going to give you a code right here, a short code. So you can just click on that and copy. And let me just show you on this particular page, just as an example. Let me go down. I always put a center tag. That's just me. Maybe I don't need to put a center tag on this one. Let me check. No, you don't need to put a center tag, so I don't need to do that. So forget that. We'll just save draft. And all right, cool. And then we'll just go here. Just as an example, show you what's going on. Okay, and because this is just how my theme is formatted, that's why it's coming out like that. You could have your page could be the whole width, and you'll be able to do the comparison and everything. You can shrink everything. You can do really whatever you want. Let's see here. Change templates. A clone is doing a copy. I do a lot of that. Okay, you can buy the Pro version, which I haven't. I don't need it at this point. Let's go to settings. I don't have any of this enabled. You don't really have to worry about that. If you go to show all tables, Right, these are all the tables I've created. There's my test table. So we'll go into that. All right, you can get rid of these if you want. Let's see how you exactly have to remember how to do it. Yeah, there you go. You can see. Yeah, got rid of that. All right, hit on this. Get rid of that. Should be able to hit on the whole thing. There you go. You can switch them around, I do believe. Yeah, you can put this one over here, put this one over here. It's pretty cool. And trying to think what else to tell you. All right, just go in here and okay. So you can also, let me show you this. So if you go here, you can do, you should be able to do. Oh, get out of here. Okay, you can do links to like products. There it is, right here, the source code. So if you know a little more about HTML, you can go in and put a link in there. Or you can just do this. Put in the link, the title of the link. If you want to put a product in there. So just go to town and have fun with it. I just wanted you to be aware of it. And that's it, gals and guys. Thank you very much. And please subscribe, like, share, hit the little dingy bell below. I would appreciate it. Help the channel. We're still growing. Sorry about the morning here. That is what it is. And I will catch you later. Bye-bye.